Hey there, fellow explorers. In this video, I wanted to highlight two iconic locations along the Lincoln Highway that are potentially in danger of being demolished soon. The first being the Dutch Haven Shoofly Pie Bakery along Route 30 in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. This Amish bakery and souvenir store, which opened in 1946, was a roadside staple of Lancaster County and a Pennsylvania Dutch tourism landmark until its closing at the beginning of this year. With its giant spinning windmill, which lit up at night, it attracted thousands of locals as well as tourists who came to the area for its various Amish-run attractions such as the Amish Farm and House and the Amish Village. Its proximity to Dutch Wonderland and the nearby factory outlets make its location prime real estate. On January 1st, 2023, it was announced that the store had closed and was being put up for sale for $2.4 million. This price included the Dutch Haven building, all the interior fixtures, as well as 3 other buildings behind the store. It was also recently announced that the store would have a liquidation sale of its past inventory on March 10th to the 12th. This included all the store's souvenirs such as mugs, Amish dolls, t-shirts, Amish hats, glassware, candles, and more. Unless the future owners of the property choose to continue the operation of the bakery, or at least repurpose the historic building and windmill, losing this iconic Pennsylvania Dutch attraction will be a huge blow to an already shrinking collection of old attractions in Lancaster. I personally remember visiting this store fondly as a kid, when my family would stop in when we visited Dutch Wonderland, which is only a few miles west on Route 30, or when we went to Strasbourg, which was just south of here. I've also visited fairly recently when Dutch Haven was still open and thriving. I encourage you to check out the vlog I did there a few years back on the channel. It documents the entire interior of the building and what it was like to visit this slice of Amish Americana that is sadly no longer a part of Pennsylvania's diminishing historic roadside lineup.
Okay, so the other location, the other iconic Lincoln Highway location that I wanted to talk about that's endangered is the Modernaire Hotel. And as you can see, the lobby is in this really cool, streamlined, modern style building. And yeah, this place is currently going under some like zoning permission stuff. They're probably gonna end up turning this place into a Wawa, which really sucks because there's really not a lot of buildings left out there in this style. This opened in the 40s. And I believe in 2015, I guess some people from the township board kept it from happening. But this time, it looks like there's a good chance it's gonna be sold and closed. But yeah, this place isn't actually on Route 30. It's right off the exit of where York is on Lincoln Highway. But yeah, this is also a prime location because you got a lot of stuff built up around here now. I can see why they would put a gas station or something here, but it just sucks because this kind of stuff is like really cool to me anyway. And anyway, if you like old signs and buildings, I'm going to be doing a lot of that stuff this year, so stay tuned to the channel because we're taking a big road trip at the end of May and beginning of June, and we're going to be going to Ohio, Illinois, Wisconsin. We're going to be going and doing House on the Rock and a whole bunch of different stuff that I've had on my bucket list. And just, yeah, like stuff like this, old buildings, signs. So yeah, if that's something that interests you, keep an eye out and like and subscribe. And until the next video, catch you on the roadside.